everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the limited edition STAMPtember card kit, and it's called I Choose You. I'm going to walk you through the contents, starting with this exclusive I Choose You stamp set. As you can see, it's larger. It's got the Doodlebug imagery on here, which I love. The gumball machine, tacos. I'm all about the food. There's punny sentiments. You guac my world. You're gumbelievable. I actually created a card with this one here. I'll show you. I used that gumball machine. Just colored that in with Copic markers. Then I embossed the You're gumbelievable. So great. And then there's a pretzel die included in the kit. This is an exclusive pretzel die, which goes great with You're Not That Old sentiment. I did create a card with that one too. I die cut the pretzel, ink blended it with some distress inks. I took a white gel pen to add little dots for the salt because I like my pretzel salty, and maybe a little cheese dip on the side. Can you tell I like food? So this kit is right up my alley. Next up is the Doodlebug jelly clips. My kids are going to fight over these. I might have to split them up. Each one get one. They're jelly bendable. They're super soft. These would be so cute for bookmarks. Okay, moving right along, you're going to get 4 tags. You'll get 1 manila medium-sized tag and then 3 smaller, a craft, a red, and a white. Some of the smaller imagery from the I Choose You stamp set would fit perfectly on those smaller tags. Next up, we have these 3 adorable Doodle Pop 3D stickers by Doodlebug, and they are dimensional, like double the dimension. They're stickers. They pop up, and they're delicious. So the fries, I'm just going to tell you right now, I don't think I'm giving that one away. I might just frame it because I love fries. And then the llama, no prob llama. I actually used this one on a little card, did a little ink blending, and then popped on the stickers. It's so sweet. It's like a perfect little lunchbox note. Speaking of lunchbox notes, included in the kit are these 3 mini white envelopes. And these are perfectly sized for the smaller images, great for lunchbox notes, love notes, little cards for gifts. Next up, we have 4 sets of these mini sprinkles by Doodlebug. This first one is called So Sweet. It's got the candy theme going on there. The next one is called Perfect Combo. It's got the fast food, even a corn dog. And then we have the utterly adorable mini sprinkle set with the otter and the llama and the frog. And last, we have the Taco Bout Fun sprinkle set. Okay, so there's guacamole, a taco, and a burrito. I don't know about you, but going through this kit is starting to make me hungry. I can't take it. So moving on, we have some 6x6 So Much Pun papers. You're going to get 1 sheet of each design, and I'll show you them. They're double-sided. Some great stripes, little gingham. Some Doodlebug imagery there with the tacos. Oh, rainbow stripes. Hello. And then some great little smaller patterns, bigger patterns. These are cute. They've got the images with the punny sentiments. And some plaid. More, fast food, polka dots. And then look at this one. It's got Band-Aids. This would be so cute for like a get well card. Really fun. And then this one I thought was really neat. It's got definitions of puns. They're pretty comical. So I looked at the French fries. I don't know if you can see it, but it tells you how to pronounce it. French fries. It's Friday. You're finally getting married. Time fries when you're having fun. I only have fries for you. This is really, you could just sit down and read these and have a little chuckle. Okay, moving right along, you're going to get 1 sheet of this 6x6 glitter gold cardstock. It's very shimmery, but the gold doesn't rub off. You're also going to get a pack of the mini crystal reflections sequins. Beautiful colors, perfect for a shaker or just embellishing your projects. And speaking of embellishing, included in the kit is 1 bottle of this craft tacky glue by Simon Says Stamp. It's a squeezy bottle, great small tip on it. And then next we have 1 spool of this black and white twine, and it's like a chunky twine. I love the wooden spool. This is even great, I find, for photography. It's just really cute, chunky twine. Next up, we have 3 pre-scored white note cards. All you got to do is fold them. They're already scored, ready to go, and they're really heavy-duty, thick white cardstock. Last but not least, you're going to get 5 sheets of Simon Says Stamp cardstock, starting with Island Blue, Doll Pink, Lipstick Red, Sunshine, and 120-pound white. These are great colors. They coordinate with everything in the kit. And before we go, I'll give you one last look of the projects that I created using the contents of the kit. I love that adorable 3D Doodle Pop sticker and then the exclusive pretzel die. Do want to mention that this is a limited edition kit. When it sells out, it's gone, but many of the contents can be purchased separately. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.